Welcome back to R for Economics. At times you want to output your data to, let's say, another data type. So things like maybe a DBF file, a STATA file, or an SPSS file. And this way this is how you do it. So you bring in the library package, library for foreign, and we want to bring in our data set. There's our data set. Get our working directory, and we're already in that over here. We can see down here that we've gone here and we've gone to our working directory. And if we want a DBF file, we say write DBF empty cars, and then we give it either the full path, or we could, because we're in our working directory, we can just give it there, and we can see that it's generated down here in our directory. Now, if we want to do a STATA file, well, this is really complicated. Well, we just do a .dta rather than write DBF. And we also change the end of the thing, so the file type. Bam, done. Now, if we want to once we set the working directory, we don't need that. We could actually do it without the thing if it's set. And there's our DTA file. Now, if we want to do an SPSS file, some people use this. So we have the things are the data frame that you're putting in, and then you have two files. So there's a blah, blah, blah DAT file. That's where the data is. And then a blah, blah, blah SPS file, which tells SPSS what to do with the DAT file. And then there's the package. Well, this is SPSS. So we can write that. And we can see that we generated two files, the DAT file and the SPS. Now, if we want to do a SAS file, because we want to pass this off to somebody who's using SAS, then we can do empty cars, and it's the same as the previous one, but rather than SPS, it's SAS here, and our package is SAS, all in capitals. And there we go. We've got our DAT file for SAS and our SAS file. And that's how you transfer files.